I came back to London with Sardinian cheese still in my hair. The city didn't notice, but I did. I still squat in dreams between sheep and shooting stars. I still hear my grandmother, just go, sabi Pia, stand here, through the skirt, nobody cares. Tonight I lit a candle for her and wrote about it. This is my story. It smells like smoke, wool, sadness and sour milk. Fruge. It's about healing with animals, painting murals, being so sensitive in a world too harsh. If you see yourself in it, support helps. Even a kind word keeps the spark lit. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing your comments, your suggestions, and any opportunity for collaboration. Stand here, through the skirt, nobody cares. Tonight I lit a